Hi guys, welcome back. In this video I'm gonna show you how to share and subscribe lenses on Snapchat. So after you open Snapchat, you just have to swipe up to open and explore more lenses. And then to share and subscribe to the lenses you love, you can just so you pick first which one you like, and then once you've already picked the lens you like, you just have to press and hold on a lens style, and then you just press that button to subscribe, and to send you go to send to friends, and then you can just pick who you want to send to. For example, that's my friend, and then as you can see there, it says lens sent. So that's it for today. I hope this video is useful, and thank you for watching.